Well then, Plymouth is flooded. Big time, high water everywhere. That's downtown. That's partial downtown. Penguin Point's flooded. Down there. That's Penguin Point and water over it, all over. That's right down there, right at the new splash pad. That's Penguin Point. The whole bridge is flooded. Wow. Plymouth is just flooded, guys. Oh, Shade Master, they're shady. People be pretty shady up in there. Just driving to Plymouth. Wow, then, look at there. It's flooded. And the person driving this direction, I don't think you're gonna make it. I mean, people today in Plymouth, these two people ran in front of us. And freaking this lady, come on, what the heck is wrong with you? Gosh. People these days. Christmas stuff still up too. Pizza Bill's. Is that new? Is that new? I think it's new. I've never seen it there. Nah, that's not flooded. That's not flooded though. You know, barbecue place is still good. Because that's right there. We're looking there high up. This right down here is flooded. Big time flooded. I mean, literally, you guys can take kayaks out here and kayak and canoe. People live down there.
My phone wouldn't take picture. What are we gonna get your dad for his birthday?
When is his birthday?
Monday?
Monday? Alright. You still recording? Yeah. I don't want to quit recording. This is going on YouTube. It's got to. Okay, well, bye guys. Leave the likes and subscribe.